So siyajabula guys ukuthi nibe nathi ngaso sonke isikhathi nakwazi ukuthi nisilandelele. So guys, don't forget ukuthi uqhubeke usubscribe, ulike, uwenze konke guys. Also sidinga ama comments enu. So guys, lana sinosisi usisi ozoshalela istory sakhe. So nawe guys unelungelo ukuthi uma ukuthi kune story ofisa ukuthi uziveze okunento ekudlayo ekhaya noma ofisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga iyazeke ukuze nawe gcineni ukhululeke. So guys, unemvumo yonke yokuthi ukwazi ukusithinta. So usisi uzosichazela ukuthi ungubani. Sesicela ushiyele ukuthi ungubani wakwabani kanjani. Yes.
Sanibona viewers. My name is Usindi Ngongo. Ngina 26 years old. Ngize la ngizoxoxela uMzweleni Media istory sami and nakhona nani ngifuna ukuthi nazi nibe aware ukuthi of all the dangers akhona la ngaphandle, like necessarily in life nje maningi, and you think ukuthi you see people smiling, people living life, which ukuthi nje no, everything is just normal. Kanti we walk around with a lot of suffer and pain inside of us. We walk around, and the truth is, sometimes in life you need to try not be the image of your pain. Because if we just imagine in life, if people were the image of their pains, how many ugly people there would be in life? Yeah. So that's why God created forgiveness and therapy. So this is not just like me not being on a TV show, but it's me now telling you guys, there's still hope. There's still life after being traumatized. It doesn't necessarily have to mean just because you're traumatized, you do something in you have to now be the image of that pain to the point of you forget yourself and who you are and your purpose in life. So we are here to talk about that, guys, today. And I would like you guys to please subscribe, like, comment, and any questions anybody has, I'm still available and I am with Umzweleni Media, so we will be contacting you guys.
Oh, so la ngizwile masikhuluma la enkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi indaba yakho iqale kudala when you are 12-year-old, izini.
Yes.
So ngicela manje ke ungilandisele istory ukuthi yini kahle kahle eyaba imbangela ukuthi kube umsuka walento le iqale phi yonke lento le izifike la egcine khona.
Okay. As you all know, 2010 was our glorious year, guys. It was the time where we were all supposed to celebrate as South Africans, enjoy. It was the FIFA World Cup. You know, that day I will never forget. Zakumi, the doll, came to school to come and, enjoy with us, and the rest of the Bafana teams and all the other soccer teams that were entertaining South Africa for that year. So that day we were supposed to leave school at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Unfortunately, my mother forgot to tell the transport lady to come and fetch us at school in 12. So us being young, nakona, influencing each other, said no, we can walk this on our own. Bese sidlula ku-Coulter Road, Montclair, and lento mayenzeka sifika laphana siyahlala phansi, sishare indaba, sihlale imina, ubhuti wami omncane, nomfana umlungu wa next door kuthiwa uNicholas. Yes. Mesihlala sidle kube mnandi kube nje, sigcine sisahleli, mesisahleli kube khona ukuthi ke kudlule imoto. Le moto imhlophe, it had tinted windows inside. Sisadla ke ama gift hampers ethu, sidlalela oswingi as normal usual kids, yabo. But not knowing ukuthi that day would be the day of a horror of my life. A horror I cannot explain in any way because it tore me apart. And that day, so mesesihleli mefika lama guys afika afihle ubuso, there was 3 of them.
Yes.
And when they approached the scene, vele ke bafika basfaka ama bags la ekhanda.
Labantu banithola nikuphi nendawo?
sisegroundini iground le yamapaki lawa nozwingi like sort of like lawa ala eduze yabo lama ground lawo masipala yeah kunozwingi thina sidlalela ozwingi it's a local park yabo we didn't think nakhona anything would happen it's during the day I mean who would yabo so mebefika ba approach about 3 bafike bagqoke lezi amabharaklava lawa bafihlile nje ubuso basinike izinto bathi asifake ekhanda so basikhomba ngenkemba bathi asingene emva kwemoto yabo babuza ukuthi khona yini umuntu owazi ukuthi silana in yabo kuba ukuthi ngiresponse aqala mina ngithi cha siphuma esikoleni yabo shothi mina engibonayo ukuthi babona iuniform because we were dressed in full school uniform I was schooling at St. Raphael's Primary at that time very known well school nakhona ke mase befika mesingena emotweni imoto ishaya izulu ingena imoto mase sifika la imakhona imoto ukuthi bakhuluma ilanguage thina esingayazi I'm not sure ukuthi ngizothi mina Congo language noma ibani noma ibiyiphi language I don't understand but it is a foreign language
ngaleso sikhathi banibozile
yes bakhuluma i-foreign language then kuba ukuthi ke bayasikipha ke emotweni bebesikipha emotweni bakhiphe nezikhwama zethu babuza ukuthi siphethe nezikhwameni bavula izikhwama uyabazwa nje beyivula beyithulula becheck izinto I think maybe where they were checking if we had any identities I don't know yabo kwaukuthi ke we didn't really carry anything that day because we all knew ukuthi vele what was going to happen at school so we knew that that day we weren't going to be studying much so we didn't carry anything valuable nakhona we just brought our bags nomphako yabo yeah so basibuze imibuzo nakhona futhi babehlaba kumina kakhulu because I was the eldest my brother at that time I think he was about 10 11 around there but he was the baby out of all of us because Nicholas was a bit older than me he was 1 year older than me just looked a bit younger yabo but imibuzo bebehlaba kumina ukuthi who am I mesingiyasho then mase bekhomba lo ubafo nami mesingiyasho ukuthi ubafo bani then mase bekhomba lo wesithathu mesingiyasho ukuthi ubani yabo hayi emva lokho ukuthi okay indlela ishona ngala mesingena uyezwa uyabona nje ufayile lento le it's a bit see through like le bag le so mawuhamba kona uyezwa ukuthi ngase ngizwa ama-croak yabo ngalezi ikhathi manje ntambama so wawusuzwa ukuthi sekukhala amaselesele seqalile ama-croaks athi usehlathini ke lapho and you can feel when you're walking la enyaweni ukuthi yabo ngisehlathini because you're walking in the field yabo so mesifika lapha yana ku underground kungathi khona indawo engasi waterfall yabo ama-sewers kahle lawa yana aseMontclair and kungathi kusa waterfall anyana mama uqeda nje ukudlula lapha yabo anyways ke mesingena lapho ku container kodwa manje iyabona lama angangizothi ama container akhelwe underground
so ngale yankathi le benivalile uthi wena wakwazi ukuzwa ukuthi usehlathini so how did you discover ukuthi wena like ngiseMontclair manje like lento leke yaphakama thizeni ukuze ukwazi ukubona or yini yakwenza ukuthi uyitshele ukuthi manje ngiseMontclair
being a child I was a very curious child and very curious people being a very curious person and knowing your area you know if I was taken very far or extremely far I would have traveled at about this distance yabo the travel would have been like maybe 2 to 3 hours then you would have known ukuthi lapho ke I'm definitely taken out of my area yabo so knowing ukuthi singene ngabo ngesikhathi engifike ngaso estimated time engifike ngaso esasifike ngaso lapha egroundini because the ground is not far from our school yabo it's not far from our school it's like a 5-minute walk down to the ground because that's the circle where you turn yabo so I knew it's okay fine the drive was about like maybe now what 20-30 minutes So that's quite close because now that ground was not very a nice ground. Growing up, people were told, "Uguti, never ever play here. This area is not well." But you know what? Being kids, you just do things anyways. We didn't think anything would happen to us during the day. We did think because that's the lane our transport lady comes. We thought, okay, let's sit here and eat. We'll play some swings. When she comes, she'll see us because indlela i-one.
Okay, now take us through a process and then uthe mawusehlathini wangena and then yini yokuqala like owathi mawuthi uqala uvula amehlo owathi ukuyibona ngaphakathi.
Mese sifika ngaphansi we-entrance yakhona kube ukuthini you faced with the dark in front of you but mawungena kunuka into efile and all the sewage okay nayo it's got its own smell yabo.
Yes.
So mesingena laphayana bakwayo manje ukuthi ke bayasikhumula ke ama bags lawo sasifike khona ekhanda kunamakhanda ezinja ezifile whereas they take you through down banipusha abhlungu basipusha abhlungu speaking a foreign language nakhona we didn't know what they were saying yabo bekukancane ukuthi basikhulume isingisi yabo. Mesfika there were 4 other girls. I was the 5th one, and then 3 other young boys again. Okay, she ukuthi kuzo ede manje uba 4 no Nicholas. So yabo so 5. These kids were now starved to death because nakhona you could see they weren't okay anymore. When I saw this, I was terrified. They tied my brothers up. They were tied up. Baboshwa ngamabhandi. Yabola izinto lezi ama cable ties. Yes, baboshwa ngalezo zinto lezo. They gagged them in their mouths. For me, I was told to undress. At first I refused, and when I refused, I got a beating. A very, really bad beating. And it's not like somebody would hit you. It's not even like the hiding of your parents.
So Lena, same time they yenzeka in front of your brothers.
Yes.
Oh.
So what they did was, now speaking in a foreign language, it's like they were saying, we want the boys to watch what we do to the girls. You understand? Because I was then taken and I was raped in front of my brother. And raped in front of my friend as well. And it's very traumatizing. It's very traumatizing. And after that, I was told to go and sit with the rest of the girls. They take your underwear and everything else. You are made to wear a cloak, dress that's just like istwethu. It's like istwethu. Lesi only wasona. It's fuck just over you. We were there for a very long time. It was very dark. That's when I started to suffer with my eyes, being a sensitive person. Eventually, they started giving us drugs. And when they give us these drugs, they inject them. I learned now when I was older that form of drug is heroin. Now, heroin is a very dangerous drug because heroin wipes out your memory. It completely wipes out your memory. When I left that place, when I got helped out of that place, I couldn't remember most of my childhood, and I suffered. Into ebuhlungu yokuthi I now had to change schools. Because I'm not understanding, and no other school and no other teachers is able to understand ingane ene anger to the point yokuthi ize igcina isilimaza ezinye ingane brutally. So I was taken out of a normal stream school to now put into a special school because I need to now attend my therapy sessions. Of which nakhona I don't think they fully helped.
So ngaleso sikhathi leso ubani owaye part of ifamily owayenawo ngaso sonke isikhathi?
I had my mother with me, and nakhona my white mom, Auntie Yolanda Bell. She's been with us and and my mom like through it all. Yeah, well, and even when mom fell sick, they were there. Mom got locked up, they were there. Yeah, they basically raised me. I'd say that most of my music voice came from that white version of me. Yeah, well, being around them and Auntie Landa always keeping me spiritually high, uplifted high. Wuthi yabona in music, it's the only thing you have now, and it will uplift you. Even if when you're feeling sad, play a song. If you wanna cry, play one that will make you cry because you need to let that out at some point. Yeah, well.
So masibuya la emuva
Yeah.
uma ukhuluma ngefamily yakho like sonke lesi sikhathi awukho ngabe bebekubheka like or ubumuntu obukanjani because khona ukuthi ethi umzali mina no ingane yami mina vele iyahlupha yabo so lo uzobuya ngesikhathi sakhe masefisa ukubuya so wena yini mawuzwa because you are not there but yini owayizwa ukuthi babeyenza ngaleso sikhathi ngabe lonto ya contact emaphoyiseni ukuthi ulahlekile or yini eyenziwe?
The police were contacted because nakhona Nicholas's parents were also worried as well. Knowing that we grew up in a neighborhood around the circle in Midford, everybody looked out for everyone. We even had something called Neighborhood Watch. So when me and Nicholas and Colin Budwami did not come home from school, when all the other kids got home from school, it was notable. And Nakhona, the school was contacted, and once the school said that no, they left the school, we were seen on camera leaving the school premises as well. So they did take necessary precautions. Nakhona, I'm not if we weren't saved by the guy who saved me, yabo, angengisho ukuthi if he didn't save us, they would have never found us.
So la ungaphakathi kuleya ndawo leyana kwathi isikhathi singanani ningaphakathi?
I'm not really sure, but coming out, I think we were there for about like a couple of months. A couple of months, because when I came out that year, the FIFA World Cup was still happening. But the months had gone by. Because we were captured around April. It was around April because sasoyela kuma holidays at June. So yeah, around that time.
So now umbuzo ke la usekutheni la ngaphakathi ni survive kanjani ngaba like banigeza noma like throughout zonke lezi inyanga abakwazi ukugeza nidlani yini yenziwayo?
We were never bathed. We were thrown with water. Very cold water. They cooked human beings. I think they had like sort of I don't know, but yabo, mara they had this operation thing going. And the mere fact that you would see nothing was done about it, it still hurts my feelings. It hurts my feelings a lot because we are faced with problems like this every day, where you go and you approach your problem, she thinking that someone's going to help you, someone's going to care enough to want to push this case to the end. Yabo. There's going to be that detective that's going to give you hope. There's still good people out there, good policemen out there who are willing to help. Yabo. Because those kids, knowing that the person who got me out of there and my brothers out of there was somebody who was killed by the police a few years ago. It makes me think that, justice system is just not right.
So lo muntu lo mayethu yanisiza lana ukuthi nikwazi ukuphunyuka unisiza ngaliphi ngabe like uyayazi le ndawo throughout because I understand if ukidnapiwe usuku secret place ne so like uma ekusiza lo muntu lona ngabe yini lengaka ayaziyo ngoba noma naye was kidnap naye njenganani so naye wayizama indlela yokuphuma or
No, knowing uBoy, he's always been a troublesome kid growing up, yabo. In and out of juvie, yabo nje. Yabo behlupha, bemenis eMontclair. And he was well known for ukudayisa ke zona izidakamizwa lezo. Noku-interact nabantu besifazane abadayisa ngokungekho emthethweni illegally. So eventually I think that's what led him to death yakhe namaphoyisa vele. uBoy shoot uyazi ubaba. Baba has economic services eMontclair. He goes by the name of Mzwandile. So wathi mebona mina wabona ukuthi angabe sakhuluma kakhulu yabo wabuka wangithenga njengathi nami uzwe akongidayisa somewhere else yabo. I don't know how much I was. I still wish to know how much I cost, you know. Wasithenga nobafo wafike washiya ngaphandle kweMontclair police station. Yes. Meshiya ngaphandle kweMontclair police station kwawukuthi uyathi nje. Hayi meshiya kwawukuthi emaphoyisa yaphuma, we got help. I was taken to the hospital. Nakhona ile wafike kwatholakala khona ukuthi I had been raped. Not only that, but one of my kidneys had been removed. And then nakhona I suffered a lot of injuries. Nama drugs ayemaningi kwi-system.
So ikidney yakho la ngathi bayiremove lapha ngaphakathi.
Kwakunamatafula laphana ya.
So ngaleso sikhathi
I'm not sure ukuthi when they removed it ngezwe mina ngoba sengizwe inhlungu la indlela waxoxa ngayo ama drugs. If nebefuna ukwenza something kuwena bese bevele baxoxa ama drugs uyinto vele ilale bakwenza ngapha bakwenza baphinde bazokubeka lapha futhi.
So manje ususe police station and namaphoyisa ayini ayenza or ukuyilandelela lento leno cause siyayizwa ukuthi
amaphoyisa sagcina okuya nawo 12 o'clock emini. Olunye usuku sihamba nama detective awu2 no constable oyedwa. Kuhanjwa ngayo police vehicle yabo. Mesifika lapha ngibakhombise le park lesa sihleli khona, ngibakhombisa ukuthi which direction imoto yayithatha sihamba because nakhona seyaba ukuthi ngibone ukuthi exactly where it is now yabo. Ngoba sesithenga uBoy, even though my eyesight was damaged, I said to myself, I want to know where this place is. Yabo. So wesesikhipha engibambile kanje ngiqhugela kanje, but I could see everything. Sathi mesiphuma leya passage wawubona ila ngabona khona ukuthi okay ile kunontuza khona ama sewage pipes. This is where the sewage like ama big sewage pipes. This is where the madams la amakhulu ama sewages. So kune waterfall yawo lapha yana ngani noma ngizothi ngiyidam noma kwenzakalani lapha kodwa nje kune photo kodwa afuna khona uhamba ehlathi uzuyo phumela kuyona le paki le ekade sihleli kuyona. Yes.
It's sad.
Mesiphumela ngaphandle kwawukuthi ke uBoy shoot we-skeptical uhambe ngena ngemoto yakhe wahela itekisi lapho kuqhamuka intombazane azana nayo uBoy egqoke iuniform yaseMowathi. Yes. Bave kushuthi uBoy ungibambile ungiphethe kanje shuthi usisavele siyabuza ukuthi kwenzakalana bese yasho ukuthi hayi ngibatholela ehlathini in yabo kanje hayi vele khelwe itekisi emayo yokuqala bavuke bashiya ngaphandle kwase police station wathi nje uBoy mina ngabe ngisangibala yabo. Lapho ke la sathola khona usizo. Umuntu ophethe icala lami leso sikhathi kwaku warrant officer Nel. Warrant officer Nel, who is now detective manje. Ngaleso sikhathi wa constable.
So kahle lento lena kwayinto egcina kahle ingafikanga kumvutho wendaba or ukuthi ilandeleke ngalendlela ukuthi kuzotholakala ukuthi
and it ebhlungu ukuthi lezo izingane engangikhiyelwe nazo lapha ngazi ngizibona. mfethu. Yazi ngiyitshela ukuthi ngizozibona. Angazi ngitshela ukuthi ngizozibona. Angazi ngizibona.
So laba ama-brothers lawa unabo or abantu wawuthathwe nabo wena, so now they are still alive now?
Yes, they still alive. Uba Fosla la ekhaya. Nengane zami. He has his own daughter now. She's about like 2, going for 3. Yeah. So yabona nje uNicholas, we still keep in touch. He lost a hand, by the way. We still keep in touch with Nicholas, nakhona, and yabona nje we're a family. We're a family. At the end of the day, nakhona the yabona nje ngathi mesifika e-police station kwabuza police station ukuthi who can we contact. Ngase ngabina abazama umama bethi bamfonela ocingweni bengatholakali. Yabo kusho ukuthi wesemsebenzini. Wesasebenza steers ngaleso sikhathi. Wesemsebenzini so kwacontactwa abazali bami lawa abelungu uma ngathini I refer to them as my parents because nakhona bayidlalile indima in my life. Mina ngafika esilungwini la eMontclair ngina 5. I didn't know a stitch of English. But mesifika safika sohlala nabo uma ebasebenzela yabo. But bayidlalile indima empilweni yami, like a hell of a lot, because mina iy'ngane zami zikhuliswe yibona namanje, even if ngithi mina ngidinga something for iy'ngane ibona they first come. Yabo.
Yo khona ku-double onzima kakhulu.
So when they arrived at the scene bafika laphana and they comforted me. They were there. Yabo, and they were happy ukuthi we're still alive. Nabazali bakho Nicholas babejabulile ukuthi bamthole. Bafika nabo on scene. Uma wafika ke waphoqa ukuthi yena ubaba uMlungu lo uzohamba ayomlanda lapha emsebenzini. Amlethe police station since she had no money ukuthi afike ngala emsebenzini. Police station wamlanda ke bamletha ngevehicle and she was very happy. And this is not to say ukuthi ini, but my mom has been with me from there.
Liyazwakala udaba lakho and siyazwelana nawe kakhulu. So guys, kumuntu osekhaya, umuntu onodaba olucishe lifana nalolu, ngithi mina kuyena akangathuli. Izinto zenzeka la ngaphandle, sometimes uma ukhuluma ezinye zezinto kuba ukuthi awukholwakali. So ngaso sonke isikhathi usukusane chance ukuthi abantu baprovele ukuthi no, because abanye kuthiwa wena uyagula ngokwekhanda or in. So guys, unelungelo lokuthi izinto kanje ukwazi ukuyikhuluma, because everyone mina ngiyabelieve ukuthi kumele akusho konke okusifubeni ukuze sonke sikwazi ukukhuleka. Kodwa ke angingasho okuningi, ngicela ukuthi usikwazi ukusicontact if kune story osiphethe or ofisa ukuthi imzweleni media ikwazi ukuphushela sona. Kodwa ke ungakhohlwa futhi ukusubscribe, ukulike kuwo wonke ama digital platforms. Danko.